one of I think that some of the questions that were asked were how the synchronization works. Currently, it is a manual push and a pull. So if you update a transaction in Chime or you update a transaction in Brokermint, then you need to either push or pull that data to keep them synchronized together. However, very soon, like I mentioned, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, we're going to have the ability to do that two-way sync so that as soon as a transaction is connected, it's going to be able to maintain the data back and forth, and it will always be up to date either location and that it's updated, right? So to update a transaction, it's pretty straightforward. You can go into the transaction and you've got an option to either send it to Brokermint. You'll see this is on the right side. You can send whatever you've updated on the Chime side to Brokermint and it will synchronize, or you can update from Brokermint. If you made changes at the Brokermint side, you can then pull that data from Brokermint and make sure that it is adjusting the data that you have on the Chime side. So those are the two options that are available right now. As I mentioned, ideally and very soon, we're going to have that two-way automatic sync that will work. Right now we have that connection. It just requires a push and a pull whenever you update the transaction. So that's the simplest I can explain, I guess, the integration here and how it works. You've got the transaction that's connected at this point, like has already been discussed. On the Brokermint side is where you take it through all of the rest of the process to make sure that transaction happens, documents, looping in the appropriate parties on the Brokermint side as needed. On the Chime side, you've got a record of what happened to that transaction and the associated link in the Brokermint side to keep it connected.